Now, now, I want to ask you, doctor, because you see, uh, from the human being side,
Okay.
maybe we have goofed it up big time,
Yeah.
right? I don't know whether the mother nature is coming back again. We don't know where it originated. That's a big debate on that. We can't go into it because
Yeah.
I don't know anything about it. So let's not go into it. But let's looking at the consequence side. Let's not look at the root cause. The consequence we can see it. This thing about mother nature has not been. We know about it. How we've been manipulating mother nature with so much of surgical stuff that we do. That is mining. Uh, I believe that we are land dwelling creatures. We messed up the land. Uh, we don't live at sea. We messed up the sea also. Turtle species were finding difficulty to breathe. We also put a hole in the ozone layer where we don't live also, right? Now, when I was looking at that, my realization, especially in India, there's so much of oxygen in the atmosphere, but there was no oxygen for the patients, which is such a sad situation, right? And that's what other creatures in the world were talking about. I don't know. It could be because it's just coming like very rampant with a lot of rage. It's not going away. It's not seasonal. It is there 24/7, and it's global, right? So it is very serious. I totally agree. We need to be very careful about it. So let's talk from the humanity side, being human side. Let's talk about responsibility. Current SOP says 3 people can travel in a car. Fine. Now, let's say 3 people traveling in the car. There's 100 units of 3 traveling in the car to a place. There's 300 people going to be there in this spot. But the spot can only take like 200 people. How do we handle this kind of things? That's virus. So what are your thoughts about that, doctor?
That's a difficult question to answer.
Yeah.
But I think if such a place, like say you only allow 150 people and 300 are there, there must be enough security presence or screening to stop the other 150 going. So that's the only thing you
Yes.
can do. Like you can see during Hari Raya, everybody knew there was a pandemic was raging. You go to supermarkets, it's packed, right? There should be some control. Although we have control going to restaurants and all that, but a lot of places still you can see people queuing up and rushing, and like the markets and all. Like this morning I was in the Rasa Jaya market there, and there was hardly any. There were strings around the market, so you have to follow one entrance. Most of the strings have been removed.
Wow.
So you can actually go in through many different entrances. So that is not good. So when we talk about MCO, we have to talk something that we have to do in every sector. Every sector, so that we don't leave any place, any doubt, and any place where the virus can spread. So that is important. But
Yeah.
again, in the government's perspective, also you need enough people to do this.
Exactly.
You need enough people, you need discipline. So it comes to ourselves. End of the day, we have to be responsible.
Yeah.
If we have to record our names, we have to take our temperature, we have to do it, regardless of when we see others are doing or not.
Yeah.
So, and as you can see from 1.0 to now, people are more disciplined.
Yes.
You can see people actually not complaining much, and they are actually following a lot of SOP. In most places.
Hats off to them.
Most places, even in small towns. One of my friend, he went to Tampin yesterday. So he said the whole town is very quiet, and wherever you go, everybody's following SOP.
Very
It's a
good.
small town, but everybody has realized that that's what you have to do. You don't want to end up in the hospital.
Exactly.
Or, being sick. And
Yeah.
there's so many images that we can see on BBC, CNN, or in our newspaper, everywhere. That's all around us.
True.
Yeah,
I've never heard about I've never heard about this. This
Yeah.
many people dying.
And as you were saying, environment.
Yeah.
I think environment has been neglected for so long. Everybody's off for their profits.
Yep.
All right. and what they call it, the soft colonization
Yeah.
everywhere, and big countries not signing up for this climate change
Yeah.
agreement and
Yeah.
things like that. So,
Wow.
end of the day, there's always a price to pay,
Mm.
right? Like they said, only 5% of dolphins left in the sea,
Look at that.
things like that. And this is one situation where I see I've had a lot of patients that can afford very good health care,
Mm.
and this has always been a shortcut, you know, where money can buy some health. Right? In this case, money cannot buy you good health.
Wow.
Correct. So it has put our, like what's the humanity back to what we were before.
We supersede compared to any other things
Yeah.
called race, religion,
Correct.
or whatever. Let's be human
Yeah.
first.
Let's
Let's take care humanity.
And once this is over, let's not forget what has happened and learn from this
To respect
experience.
the nature.
Yeah.
Respect each other.
Yeah, correct. Respect each other, respect the nature, and you keep on rummaging the environment.
Yep.
You know, there's a price to pay.
Yep.
There's definitely a price to pay.
There's a balance and equilibrium
Yeah.
every time.
True.
That's how it looks like. It's just getting even faster,
Yeah.
more rampant. So it's so powerful. If we have that kind of realization, I hope we can come out of this as better species, where we are more responsible.
True.
Like what you say, doctor. We need to be responsible. One of the things that I've been doing with my family, I've stopped looking at all the numbers. I stopped giving attention, energy, and
Yeah.
focus on that. What I've decided is that we want to make sure our family has a unit we stay green. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
We wanted to be healthy because if we can be healthy,
Yeah.
then we are not spreading it to others. Right?
Right.
Health spread, that's okay. Disease, no. Right? If everyone can just think about, okay, this is my cellular level, let me take it. That's how our cells work. If all of us, like what you said, the people are actually doing a better job now.
Yeah.
I think the leaders need to also follow suit because media is another thing. They cover all these things. If this person has broken their SOP, and it puts ambiguity in people. And I think all parts need to be responsible. The
Yeah.
media, what they need to show, if everyone is going for numbers, then that's the challenge, right?
Yeah.